Hey, so I am not a huge reviewer of items, but we have a few of these Immortal Fringe Sport wall balls at our gym, and I have been extremely impressed with this company. So wanted to open it up. We'll just get my address off here really quick, unless you guys already saw it. Not that it matters, but we'll cut into this. Be careful cutting into it. You definitely don't want to go too deep, right? Like I said, I don't do a lot of these, but I've just been so impressed with this company, just with some different things. And as soon as we got these wall balls in and started using them, I don't ever want to buy another medicine ball. These things they really are indestructible. Try and do this one-handed. This is tough. All right, so as far as packaging goes, you know, if you were to just get like a normal package, you'd be like, well, there's no packing in there. You don't even need packing, because this thing could be like dropped and beat up and everything is still gonna be just fine. I weighed the ones that we have at the gym. They are right at 20 pounds. Man, they're different, right? They're totally different than what we're used to. We're used to the soft ball that eventually rips over time. I mean, it's just what happens. These ones are a little different because they're rubber, so they are a little bit harder. So you want to be a little more careful when you're throwing them, like learn them a little bit. But they're just not going to break. And this company is so cool. If they do, they're very good about sending you a replacement. So a few things. One, I believe that a harder wall ball like this, it's got to be scientific because I'm saying it, so it's got to be true. I actually think you're going to get a better energy transfer in your wall balls because you're not losing it in the soft material that a normal wall ball is made out of. With this one, that energy transfer just goes right to throwing that ball up in the air. Catching it, you do want to be a little more careful because it is harder. So I guess if it were to smack you in the face, it might hurt a little bit. But I would just recommend starting with a lighter ball and moving your way up until you feel more confident with it. But seriously, I'm so impressed with this company. Give them a try. And, I mean, that's some pretty cool packaging there. Pretty cool box art. So, anyways, just wanted to give them a shout out. Pretty awesome stuff. Good company. Try it out.